What if you could step through your screen, walk the halls of Nevermore Academy, or survive the trials of the Squid Game? Netflix is no longer just something you watch. It's becoming a place you can go. This is Netflix House. The streaming giant is launching its first ever permanent entertainment venues, and they're opening this year. The first 2 locations will be at the King of Prussia Mall in Pennsylvania, opening November 12th, and the Galleria Dallas in Texas, opening December 11th. These aren't small pop-ups. Each venue is a massive 100,000 square foot space built to bring its biggest shows to life. So what can you actually do there? Entry is free, but inside you'll find a mix of free and ticketed attractions. In Dallas, you can face the upside down in a Stranger Things experience or test your nerve in Squid Game. Survive the trials. The Philadelphia location will feature a treasure hunt with the One Piece crew and an immersive experience based on Wednesday. Both locations will also have themed restaurants called Netflix Bites, exclusive merchandise, and interactive games based on shows like Bridgerton, Love is Blind, and Floor is Lava. This move is about more than just cool attractions. It's a major strategic shift for Netflix. For years, companies like Disney and Universal have used theme parks to turn their movies into billion-dollar physical experiences. Now, Netflix is taking a page from that playbook. By creating these permanent fan culture hubs, Netflix is building a new revenue stream beyond subscriptions, selling tickets, food, and merchandise. It's a way to deepen fan loyalty and make their digital worlds feel real. The first 2 Netflix houses are just the beginning. A third location is already planned for Las Vegas in 2027. Netflix is betting that the future of entertainment isn't just about streaming content, it's about living it. The big question is, which Netflix show would you want to step into? A ball from Bridgerton, or maybe a heist from Money Heist? Drop your dream experience in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories like this. Thank you for watching.